Encouraging your customers to give reviews and feedback about your products. Are you encouraging customers to give feedback and reviews for your products that you can use as social proof in your affiliate program and your sales pages? You will be surprised to know the number of businesses that do not contact their clients to request feedback. Do not be one of them. Connect with your customers and asking them for information about their experiences using the product is very positive. You will be able to generate testimonials which you can use in your marketing campaigns. Don't be afraid to ask them. Many times you can earn someone's trust just by asking for feedback. Asking for feedback makes many people feel important, and you show them that you value them as customers. You also show them that you are committed to ensuring that they have a very positive interaction with having a shopping experience on your website.
Yes!
After watching this video, you should have a better understanding about this topic. If you still have any question, please ask.
Ask, please.
Use the comment section. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies that will help you grow your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email free internet marketing information on a regular basis, which will help you grow your online business faster. You don't have to pay anything for it. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.